All right, so when looking at this problem, we have to look at it as like a little puzzle and just saying we know bits and pieces of information, and let's see if we can figure out how to figure out the missing pieces of information. So for example, taking this first piece, this is telling us the cardinality of the bubble A is 19. So let's make sure we all understand what that means. So what we're saying here is everything inside this bubble, the whole bubble, all those numbers should add up to make 19. Well, the good news is we only have one unknown in there because we know it's 10, 2, and 4. So 10 plus 2 plus 4 plus x should equal 19. So therefore, what is that? 14, 15, 16 plus x should equal 19. So therefore, x should equal 3. So now I have figured out, I now know that this value right here is 3. All right, great. So moving along, what other information do we have here? Well, we know b should equal 20. So moving along, we say, okay, the whole bubble b should equal 20. So therefore, I know 4 plus 2 plus y plus w should equal 20. All right, there's a little problem there. I have two unknowns. So let's keep moving in with other pieces of information and see what we can figure out. I know c should be 28. The whole bubble c should be 28. Well, okay, again, two unknowns. You can kind of see that. That's 10 plus 2 plus w plus z is equal to 28. So not much help. Let's move on to the next piece then. And here's where we really are just going to slow down, and I want to make sure, I want you to make sure you know how to read this. What does B intersect C look like on this page? Think about highlighting it. All right, what that means is that's what they both have in common. It's the intersection, what B and C both share. That would be this area right here. That area is both in bubble B and in bubble C. So therefore, we know that that area should equal 8. So therefore, I know 2 plus W should equal 8. So therefore, W should equal 6. So I'll just stop there. And so I hope, what you see on this problem is this problem really difficult? No, it's just really you have to understand what the notation means, and it's a puzzle. You have to stop and think and say, does this help me? No. Okay, I'll move on to another piece, and you just keep searching for information until you find something you can figure out. Okay, hope that helps.